A fully powered vertical drum gripper rotator is a great asset for the manufacturing and distributing industry. With this fully functional stacker, the operator will be able to quickly raise a steel 55-gallon drum up to 64 inches and rotate that drum fully up to 360 degrees. It has a walk-behind design with a max unloaded speed of over 3 miles per hour and a single handle control, which makes maneuvering into a desired position easy. The operation functions are easily marked with labels. Fingertip switches to open and close the clamp, rotate the drum right or left, and raise up and down. There's an emergency stop button and dead man switch stops the unit when you let go of the handle. The shortened length of the stacker allows the unit to get into very tight areas where other lifting devices can't reach. An 800-pound lifting capacity lets users transfer more material in fewer trips, maximizing efficiency. Long-term battery charge allows for constant daily use without needless downtime. Rotate and raise 55-gallon steel drums with our fully powered stacker with Drum Grip Rotate.